Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a topic that could save you thousands of dollars and a whole lot of headaches. Ever wondered why your car's engine seems to give up on you way too soon? Well, it might not be the car's fault, it could be you. That's right, many of us develop habits that slowly but surely damage our engines over time. And the worst part? We don't even realize we're doing it. In this video, we're uncovering 10 common habits that are secretly killing your car's engine. By the end, you'll know exactly what to avoid to keep your engine running smoothly for years to come. So let's get started. Habit number 1, putting off scheduled maintenance. All right, let's start with the biggest engine killer of them all, putting off scheduled maintenance. Now I get it, life gets busy, and it's easy to think, I'll get that oil change next week. But here's the thing, regular maintenance is like going to the doctor for a checkup. Skipping it can lead to serious problems down the road. Services like oil changes, coolant checkups, and drive belt replacements aren't just suggestions. They're essential. If you're buying a used car, make sure it has a clear servicing history. Trust me, your engine will thank you. Do you keep up with your car's maintenance schedule? Let me know in the comments. Habit number 2, revving a cold engine. Next up, we have revving a cold engine. Imagine waking up and immediately sprinting a marathon. Sounds rough, right? Well, that's exactly what you're doing to your car when you rev it up right after a cold start. Your engine needs a few seconds to warm up and let the oil lubricate all the moving parts. So take it easy for the first few minutes of your drive. Your engine will run smoother and you'll avoid unnecessary wear and tear. Have you ever been guilty of revving your engine right after starting it? Habit number 3, ignoring the temperature gauge. All right, let's talk about ignoring the temperature gauge. Most cars have one. But how often do you actually check it? Your engine's working temperature is usually between 80 and 90 degrees Celsius. If it starts creeping up to 100 or higher, that's a red flag. Overheating can cause serious damage, like a blown head gasket, which is an expensive repair. So make it a habit to glance at that temperature gauge every now and then. If it's running hot, pull over and let it cool down. Do you keep an eye on your car's temperature gauge? Habit number 4. Ignoring warning lights. Now this one's a biggie, ignoring warning lights. That check engine light isn't just there for decoration. It's trying to tell you something. While it might not always be an emergency, it's definitely a sign that something's not right. And if you see the overheating warning light, pull over immediately. Ignoring these lights can lead to catastrophic engine damage. So don't just hope they'll go away. Get your car checked out as soon as possible. Have you ever ignored a warning light? Habit number 5, resting your foot on the clutch. Next up, we have resting your foot on the clutch pedal. This is a common habit, especially for manual drivers. But here's the thing, the clutch pedal is only meant to be used when you're shifting gears. Resting your foot on it causes the friction disc to slip, which generates heat and wears it out faster. So keep your foot off the clutch unless you're actually using it. Your clutch and your wallet will thank you. Do you drive a manual? Have you ever caught yourself resting your foot on the clutch? Habit number 6, redlining your car. All right, let's talk about redlining your car. We all love a bit of speed, but constantly pushing your engine to its limits isn't doing it any favors. High RPMs generate more friction and heat, which can lead to premature wear and tear. So, while it's fun to hit the rev limiter every now and then, try to keep it in moderation. Your engine will last longer, and you'll save yourself some costly repairs. Do you have a need for speed, or do you prefer to take it easy on the throttle? Habit number 7, overloading your car. Next up, we have overloading your car. Every car has a weight limit for a reason. Exceeding it forces your engine to work harder than it's designed to, which can cause significant damage over time. Not only are you putting strain on your engine, but you're also damaging your suspension and brakes. So respect your car's limits, it's not a truck. Have you ever overloaded your car? What was the heaviest thing you've ever carried? Let me know in the comments. Habit number 8, making short trips. All right, let's talk about making short trips. If you're constantly driving short distances, your engine might not have enough time to warm up properly. This means it's always operating below its ideal temperature, which can cause unnecessary wear. So if you're just running to the store, consider walking or biking instead. Your engine will thank you. Do you mostly take short trips, or do you give your car a chance to warm up? Habit number 9, shifting too early. Next up, we have shifting too early. While it's not good to constantly drive at high RPMs, shifting too early can also strain your engine. If your car is struggling to accelerate, you're probably in too high of a gear. Find the right balance, and your engine will run smoother and last longer. Do you shift early, or do you wait for the right RPMs? Let me know in the comments. Habit number 10, shutting off a turbo engine immediately. Finally, we have shutting off a turbo engine immediately. If you've got a turbocharged engine, this one's crucial. The turbocharger needs time to cool down after a drive. So either take it easy for the last few minutes of your trip, or let the engine idle for a minute or two before turning it off. This will extend the life of your turbo significantly. Do you drive a turbocharged car? Have you ever had issues with your turbo? And there you have it, 10 habits that are secretly killing your car's engine. By avoiding these common mistakes, you can keep your engine running smoothly and save yourself a lot of money in the long run. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, share it with your fellow drivers, and subscribe for more tips to keep your car in top shape. And before you go, let me know in the comments, which of these habits surprised you the most? I'd love to hear your thoughts. Thanks for watching, and remember, drive safe, drive smart, and take care of your ride. See you in the next video.